In this question, we're asked which of the rectangles, so they're both rectangles, has the longer diagonal. So we can draw a diagonal there with a right angle, and we can draw another diagonal for A. Okay, it's really good practice to say what you're doing at what time. So I'm going to start off by talking about A, and then I'm going to call this little a, little b, don't care which way round, and there's h, the hypotenuse. So a squared plus b squared equals h squared, that's Pythagoras' theorem. So 3 squared plus 5 squared equals h squared. 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25, so altogether we've got 34 equals h squared, and so h is the square root of 34, which comes out to be 5.8 centimetres. Okay, now we'll try for b, exactly the same thing. So labelling up, side A, side B, don't care which way, as long as that's the hypotenuse. Pythag is given by this. So let's start putting the numbers in. A we've got as 3.5 squared, B is 4.5, and that's equal to h squared. So 3.5 squared plus 4.5 squared gives us 32.5. Now if you're really cunning, you can already see from this stage that as this was 34 for h squared and this is 32.5, you can already see that this one's going to be bigger, but let's just prove it to be sure. Square root gives us 5.7 centimetres. We've now got to think about actually answering the question. So the question said, which of the rectangles has the longer diagonal? So you need to say rectangle A has the longer diagonal. And you'd be all done. Full marks there.